In this video, we will guide you how to convert multiple photos to a PDF. Open your browser and search for Docs Google. Now, open docs.google.com. Click on blank document. Now, what you have to do is insert the photos, simply select them and drag them in like this. Now, you have to edit them according to your requirements. What you have to do is simply click on them, and at bottom here you can change the format. Here I will select wrap text. That will give me flexibility in moving them. Now you can resize them by using corner point and position them like this. Once you are happy with it, go to the top left, click on file, go to download, and then click on PDF document. Thanks for watching.